Hello, iTutorGroup teachers. It's Teacher Nikki here, and I'm so happy you're here because I have been getting a lot of feedback when I do the consultant live trainings, and people are asking me, how do you upload a photo to TutorMeet? How do you add a blank page? So I told people in the training sessions that I would do a tutorial for you guys. So let's get started. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe and put that bell on because every time I upload a video, then you'll get a notification. So thank you so much if you're not subscribed already, and if you haven't clicked that bell already, be sure to do so. So to do the tutorial, I'm going to do a voiceover. You'll see a photo, and I will explain about how you upload to TutorMeet and TutorMeet Plus and how you add a blank page. It's pretty simple, so this shouldn't be too long. To upload a photo into TutorMeet Plus, I'm going to show you exactly what to do. First, you're going to go to that little plus button and click that, and there will be a drop-down menu. And then you can click Add Image. And then you got to choose the file. So I'm going to be choosing this random one I did for my Instagram. And then you click OK. Then it will pop up on the page. And if you want to resize it, you're going to grab the corner and just drag it to the size that you want. And you have to make sure that you're on the arrow button, the very first icon on the toolbox. But you can drag it around and resize it as needed. So you can put it anywhere on the page and you're good to go. But in TutorMeet, it will be a little bit different. In TutorMeet, the older version, you can't drag it and resize it as easily. I think, at least on a Mac, I never know what's different with Mac versus PC, but I have had a problem resizing it on a Mac for TutorMeet. But here on TutorMeet Plus, it's very easy and flexible. Okay, you can also delete it or erase it. So if you don't want to delete everything on the page, don't click the trash can. Just click the eraser if you just want to delete the photo. If you want to add this to the next page, there isn't an option to do it. So you would have to add a blank page if you want it to go onto the next page. And then you can add the image from the blank page. If you want to search a photo, you can also do that. You just click search photo and type whatever you want, but this photo bank isn't that huge, but you can add it as an image or to the next page. And just know though that this photo bank is not super huge, but you can also resize these images and move it around if you want to. You could also upload materials, but I've never really done that, but it's pretty much the same process. It has to be a PDF though. Okay, let's take a look at TutorMeet. So in TutorMeet, this is the older version. If you want to add a photo, you would have to click on these three little dots, and then there would be a drop-down menu. And those three little dots, when you click them, the two options would be add a photo or upload materials. And it's the same, virtually the same process as uploading a photo in TutorMeet Plus, except it just looks a little bit different. The other thing is, and I don't know if this is a Mac problem or a PC problem, but I typically have to save the file as one word. So if I have two words, I cannot have a space between them. I don't know if this has changed or if it was just my MacBook, but just know that for me, I had to save it as one word in order for it to upload properly. Now, if you want to add a blank page, you can click that little plus sign and it will add a blank page at the end. It will not add it to the next page. So it will be the very last page. And then in order to get to the last page, you can click the numbers here and a drop down menu will appear and you can just click. It will end up being page 16 in this case. And then here, if you want to search a photo in the photo bank, just click that icon and then it will pop up with the photo bank and type whatever word you want. Again, just know that the photo bank is not that extensive. Alright you guys, that's the end, but before I say goodbye, I wanted to let you know that there is a link in the description box for my top 3 tips for teaching ESL online, so make sure you go and grab that guide before you click away, and I'll see you next time. Bye!